Hey guys, hey, and welcome into my home once again. Welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am going to show you how I've put together this little pink pumpkin patch vignette here at my foyer as you come in, to share with you how I put that together. But I'm also going to let you know that this is part of a collaboration. I have all channel links listed in my description box below, so make sure you go over and pay them a visit. Now guys, there are a few things that I need for you to do for me. One, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Become a member of this family. I'm sure you'll love it here. It's so easy. It doesn't cost you anything. Just hit the subscribe button and then you'll see a bell. Make sure you tap that bell twice. That means that once you become a subscriber, you're always notified of any and all videos that are created here. And then thumbs up. Give us all a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know how well you appreciate the content that we create. But for now, while you're here, grab your coffee, your tea, or whatever it is that you're choosing to drink. Sit back, relax, and enjoy as we welcome you all into our homes and as we take the time to give you some ideas as to what you too can do for the fall as we fall into fall. So I'm going to go ahead and start working, and I'm going to show you how I put this together. But again, I welcome you all, and I thank you all so much for stopping by. I'm sure you'll like it here, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. To style today, and it's right here in my foyer. But what I need to do is use some of this spray-away glass cleaner. It's ammonia free, streak free shine. I love to use this stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and squirt a little bit here, clean up my mirror.
Sip your chai, you got nothing to hide. Yeah, your future's so bright, so just smile like there's no one watching. Early morning on a Saturday, wake up, time to get it started. No one's gonna get in your way, no one's gonna leave you broken hearted. You don't need nobody else, everyone knows you're doing well, so well, yeah. Not a worry in the world, you ain't scared of nothing. You a boss kind of girl, you got all you wanted. Earned yourself a quick break in the morning. If someone tells you otherwise, give them warning. Don't let yourself be restrained. Own yourself and just walk away. Away, yeah, yeah. Just one look in your eyes and I know I found.
Alright guys, you've seen how I've started putting this together, but I want to let you know that this collection is hosted by Anna of the Grace Life DIY and Home Decor, Pretty DIYs, Design with Emma, Sasu Glam Style Living, Mabel's Table, Z9 Designs, and Annalise Cupboards. So guys, these are all the hosts for this collaboration. All channel links will be in my description box below. Please make sure you go over and show them lots of love and let them know that you were sent via Styling with ggfaison. As I share with you my reveal, this beautiful ornate mirror here is one that I picked up several years ago from a shop here in town. I just love all of the detail that's in it. And I did not buy this mirror and this little table here at the same time, but I thought the matchup was absolutely perfect. And this came from a different furniture store here in town. And when I saw it, I don't remember which I purchased first, but I knew it was a perfect little match that would go perfectly here in this space. So now that I've shared with you the table, I'm going to take you back up. We're going to start from the mirror, and then we're going to come back down to this gorgeous vase here. And this is one that I picked up from the Z Gallery a couple years ago. I just love the way that the body of this is slender at the bottom and then it just kind of fan out, just absolutely beautiful. I've added in some flowers, and these are just flowers that I've had around the house for quite some time. I just went into my stash and pulled these out. Decided to add in a few pumpkins here at the top as we create our little pink pumpkin patch here in the front. In the back here, I have one of those larger pumpkins with all of the design and beautiful detail into it. Just an absolute beautiful pumpkin here. Then I have a little mirror glass, mercury glass candle holder. Added in a little tea candle. Added in this candle ring. Placed it on top of this mirror glass box here. And this box I purchased from Tuesday Morning a couple years ago. So everything I've just shopped my home. Added in another one of these little plush pink pumpkins, little plush ones. And I may have gotten that from Hobby Lobby. And I cascaded this garland, and this is garland that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. I've had it a couple years, love using it, especially this time of the year. It reminds me of, you know, you've gone through the summer and it's been hot and it's killed all your grass, and your grass is looking all, because here where I live in the South, it gets so hot. Sometimes we get into the 3 digits, but mostly we're up in the 90s. Every now and again, we might hit that 3-digit temperature, but we have that hot, dry heat, and then sometimes it's that muggy heat. So yeah, this is what our grass will look like by the time that we get into late August, which is about what we are now. So guys, this is my vignette that I've created here, my little pink pumpkin patch. And y'all know I love to create my pink pumpkin patch every year. So this is my vignette that I've created. Hope you guys will enjoy it. Don't forget to check out the host as well as the co-host for this collaboration, or I think they're all hosts for this collaboration. Again, I thank you. Don't forget to thumbs me up here and hit that subscribe button if you're new. Let me know what you think of my pink pumpkin patch that has been created here. Thanks again. Be blessed. Take care. And until the next video, I'm your host here, and you are styling with ggfaison.